Given problem 3 power x plus 9 power x plus 27 power x equal 14. Find the value of x. X value find out. From problem 3 power x plus 9 power x plus 27 power x equal 14. Here 9 equal to write as 3 square. 27 equal to 3 cube. Put here 3 power x, 9 equal to 3 square, whole power x, 27 equal to 3 cube, whole power x equal to 14. A power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m equal to a power mn. Here formula apply 3 power x plus 2 and x place shifting 3x whole square. So mn nm equal to mn. Here changing x and 2 plus same 3 x and 3 power changing 3 power x whole cube equal to 14. Let 3 power x equal to a. You will substitute 3 power x equal to a square, a cube equal to 14. All terms having common factor a, take common a, 1 plus a square equal to 14. Observe here 14, write factors 14. 2 7 ja 1 14 ja. Here minus values not possible. Once again check it. 1 and 14 not possible here because a equal to 1 substitute 1 plus 1 square. So 3 not equal 14. So this is not satisfied. 14 is not satisfied. You take 2 and 7. A 1 plus a square equal to into 7. So here a equal to 2 possible. Once again check it. A equal to 2. 1 plus 2 square. 2 square 4 6 7 2 is 14. This is possible. Finally, so a equal to 2. Now here 3 power x equal to a, 3 power x equal to 2, a power x equal to n, that implies x equal to log n base a, This formula apply here, x equal to log 2 base 3. This is x. Check. Check 3 power x whole square, 3 power x whole cube. LHS 3 power x. Put in x equal log 2 base 3, 3 power log 2 base 3. 3 power x log 2 base 3 whole square, 3 power log 2 base 3 whole cube. We know a log a base x. We know a log x base a equal to this value is equal to this is 1. So finally equal to x. Same here, this is 1. So 2. This is 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 2 plus 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. Final 14. This is RHS. So x equal to log 2 base 3. log 2 base 3